Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what I use to edit my videos, and I'm going to go into a few basics of the program. It's super easy, it's free, and I thought it'd help a lot of you guys out, so let's get straight into it. So the program's called ShotCut. It's this one here. I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. Yeah, so not sponsored or anything, I just love it. I've been using it to edit all my videos. When you start ShotCut up, this is what you see. You get your playlist. You got all this stuff here. So I'm going to drag a video in there. I'm not going to edit it, but I'll just show you how to do the basics and explain it all to you. Show you how to add overlays of other pictures, add audio, change volume, all that type of stuff. And then you can learn the rest online like I've done. Yeah, so there's tons and tons of tutorials if you ever need help for it. If you ever need to learn something, if you want to know how to do one certain thing, you'll pick it up over and over time. And it's super easy though. It's easy, but it still goes in depth. You can do a lot of stuff with it, very similar to like a Sony Vegas could do or something like that. So I'll just get straight into it. So we'll just use this clip here. So I can go here, so this is going to start of my video is going to be, press S, it cuts it, delete, drag, like all that type of stuff. Hey guys, so that's like too far back. I can put it to where I want it to start. I want it to start there. Drag this one across, and then you can drag it. It will click onto the bar. Now it's like, hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're doing a So yeah, that's like super easy. So now that I've done that, I need to add an audio track to add music. So I'll do that now. And if you want to add like sound effects or anything, you just add one of these, and you just add another one if you want to have like sound effects and music on top. So it's pretty easy. I'll just use this song here. I'll just drag in that one, and as you can see, so this is way too noisy, but I'll show you guys how to change that. So in filters, it's not really filters, it's more editing the clip, like cropping, like moving stuff around, color grading, all that stuff, volume of the audio and all that, adding text and stuff like that. It's more editing or stuff to enhance the video. So we'll try this volume. Yeah, so that's a good volume. I like that volume, so I'll stick with that. And now I'll show you guys at the end of the video. So say I want to end it here, and I want to add a subscribe bit. So what you do here is, this is like simple as click there, you add a video track, it'll go to the top. So you now got two. We'll drag in the picture we want. So I just quickly got this one off the internet, and as you can see, that's not the right file to make it like see through for the background, so I'm gonna have to crop it. But I've done that on purpose so I could show you guys how to do it. So I'll just go in here. You could find it in here by looking for it, or you could just type in crop if you know what you're looking for. Now you're gonna want to know how you move that, so you add another one. And now I got it in my favorites, but it's just called size, position, rotate. What that one does is it just makes it so you can just drag it around like a normal picture, so you can put it wherever you like. I tend to like making this pretty big and make it on the outro so everyone sees it, like when I'm talking about like, hey guys, thanks for watching, subscribe to my video. As soon as I say subscribe, I'll line it up down here with the part where I say it and drag it straight to the spot where I say it, and it just gets more people's attention, makes them more likely to subscribe to the video and stuff like that. So yeah, it's super easy to use. I'm not going to edit this video now, but like I'd chop it up, make it faster paced, you know, all that type of stuff. But that's not what the video is for. I'm just trying to give you guys a tip to use ShotCut. It's super easy. I've been using it now for about 3 or 4 months, and I've picked it up super well. You guys should as well. There's tons of videos on YouTube for it. Yeah, so I'd highly recommend it. I'm going to leave a link in the description for it as well. But I'm just trying to help you guys out, and I hope you guys like the tip. And if it's helped you guys, just please like the video, and thanks for watching.